KGA. I'm so glad to see you again. Last time we talked about the Chinese New Year, and I hope you still remember one thing we use to decorate Chinese New Year is the red lantern. And today we are going to make our own little red lantern. Are you ready? The materials we need to use is a piece of red paper, a toilet roll, a scissor, and glue. Now let's start. You will receive a red paper like this, and you fold it, and you will see the lines here. So all you need to do is to cut along this line, but stop at here. Okay, it's finished. So you will have a paper like this. We have got our paper ready, and now we need to put glue on the toilet roll. So we put glue on the top first. And also the bottom. Okay, and now we take our paper, we glue this part to the top. Make sure you hold it very well. Okay, and now we do the bottom. Bottom is very easy. Okay, so now you have the lantern. And the last step we need is to make a handle for it. So we take a little piece of paper, a stripe like this, and we glue it here. Side and the other side. And we just glue it inside. Okay, ta-da! This is your little lantern. Okay, I hope you enjoy making your little lantern, and I wish you all a happy Chinese New Year. 新年快乐，拜拜。